Learn how to make 4 styles of these delicately coloured summer flowers in this London Embroidery School online class. Using our accompanying kit, we will guide you through how to shape, realistically paint and construct these structural pieces. Kits include enough materials to make a total of about 8 stems of your flower choice, and you will only need a couple of additional items from your craft supplies. We talk in great detail about the wire bases and watercolour mixing, harnessing the bias and lay planning, followed with step-by-step instructions for a cornflower, poppy, sweet pea and viola. Ideal for use in bouquets, millinery, accessories and table settings, to name but a few outcomes. Once purchased, the link to the class will be delivered to your email, taking you directly to the full class. You can watch the video whenever suits, revisit as many times as you like and stop and start as you please. Head over to the London Embroidery School website where you can purchase access to the class and order a kit today.